Hi, so welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making a breakfast egg sandwich, so let's begin. So I have 2 eggs here. I'm going to add a pinch of pepper, a pinch of salt, mix this together. So I'm just going to grease the pan with some butter. I'm going to put this on medium heat. I'm going to put the egg mixture in. So I'm going to now add 2 slices of bread. So we'll just cook this on a low heat. So that looks ready on one side. I'm just going to add some butter. So we're now going to allow this to cook on this side. Again, just keeping it on a low to medium heat. So I'm going to add some turkey rashes. You can add any topping that you want. So you can use the sauce of your choice. I'm going to be using barbecue sauce, so just drizzle your desired amount. So I'm just going to allow the bread to cook a bit more. Okay, this is now ready. So here we are, our egg breakfast sandwich. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and thanks guys for watching.